Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see a basic and advanced view option on your Microsoft Office Word web. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So Microsoft Office Word web view option basic. Just click on the view option here. So actually we are in a normal view, page view. You can, for an example, I just created an extra page like this. So now you can choose the web view to make a book, make you look like a book. For example, I just inserted a table here, and also just inserted some of the table here like this. Okay, so now I just going to click on the view option here and click on the web view. Now you can see it's look like a endless page. It's look like actually a web. You can see it's actually the page borders has been removed, and this is actually a web view, and here the reading view, it's look like a book. So now you can, this is called the reading view, and you can click on the edit option again here and go to the view option, and this is the immersive reader, so that will make read the text here, and you can also make the adjustment of a percentage like 100%, 125%, and you can also fit to the page. Fine, just click on the fit. It's fit to the whole page that you want, and you can also use the zoom out and zoom in option on the downside. Here also the page view and web view are here, and fit to the page also here. You can use this option on the bottom also, and here you can turn it on the ruler option, and also navigation. If you want to navigate search or something like that, headings like that, you can use this, and page end. If you want a page end or not, you can choose from here, and if you want to change to page view, it look like with a separation here, page separation here, and you can also turn on the dark mode here. So these are the view options on your, this is to turn on the background here. So these are the view option on Microsoft Office Word web. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below if you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web. You just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.